Well, good morning. It is a breezy, chilly, 39-degree morning, and that's after the sun came up. Last night it was, I believe, a low of 27. So currently it's 45, so it is starting to warm up. So exciting news on this video. I have been wanting, ever since we got the Gladiator, which is almost 4 years ago now, I've been wanting to upgrade the tires, and this morning I finally did that. Nothing too crazy, just put some all-terrain tires on it. Just didn't really feel comfortable taking the Gladiator off-road with highway tires. My biggest concern about upgrading to, all-terrain tires was I was afraid that the smooth ride of the Gladiator versus the Wrangler would be compromised. But that didn't happen. The ride is still smooth, which I'm very, very happy about. So today I am taking the Gladiator off-road for the first time with the new tires. And I mean, literally 2.5 hours ago, I got these tires put on and I'm already off-road, which is very exciting. So far, they are performing very well. I can't remember, the name brand of the tire, all of that stuff, which I should, but I just don't at the moment. But we're not going anywhere new today. We're just going to go on some trails that we've kind of traveled the last few weekends, just to kind of test it out, see how it's going to handle. And since I know the trails pretty well, I figured it would be a good place to go to try out these tires. So hopefully it won't be too boring. The other thing is I'm not going to be able to get the drone in the air today. At least I don't think so, because it has been pretty windy. But we'll see as the day goes on. Maybe I can get a little bit of footage. But otherwise, stick around. Thanks for joining, and we will check in with you later.
Packed up a backseat with my old guitar, letters from you in a mason jar. Town fades out like a half-spun prayer. Train whistle hums through the cooling air. Mama said, son, don't look behind, but the past rides close in the rearview line. So I'll hit the road where the wild wind knows all the names I've tried to lose. Hit the road where the river flows and wash away these Sunday blues. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road. Coffee's gone cold by the county sign. Dreams feel heavy but the stars still shine. Every mile's got a story to burn. Every loss is a road I learned. Sometimes leaving's the only grace, when the heart outgrows its place. So I'll hit the road where the wild wind knows all the names I've tried to lose. Hit the road where the river flows and wash away these Sunday blues. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road. If I find peace past that western hill, I'll send a postcard, maybe I still will. But for now this engine hums my prayer. Freedom's waiting somewhere out there. Yeah, I'll hit the road, let the daylight show what the dark could never prove. Hit the road, let the river know this heart still got something to move. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road.
So today has been really the first day that it's been, I guess I would say, cold enough in Arizona to wear a jacket. And I got this jacket for Christmas, and it's a bearskin. And I gotta tell you, it's great. It's warm, it's comfortable, it's a little loose and baggy, but that's okay. It is really good. So if you're in the market for a warm, lightweight jacket, bearskin is the way to go. It also comes with, well, I don't know if it comes with it, but I also got with this a waterproof cover. So it's like another jacket that goes on top of this. So if it's raining, it will keep you dry and warm. But yeah, it's great. Chris got it for me for Christmas, and I thought I would just give just a small review, but I think it's great. Can't wait to use it more. So again, if you want something that will keep you warm, dry, something very comfortable and lightweight, bearskin is the way to go.
Packed up a backseat with my old guitar, letters from you in a mason jar. Town fades out like a half-spun prayer. Train whistle hums through the cooling air. Mama said, son, don't look behind, but the past rides close in the rearview line. So I'll hit the road where the wild wind knows all the names I've tried to lose. Hit the road where the river flows and wash away these Sunday blues. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road. Coffee's gone cold by the county sign. Dreams feel heavy, but the stars still shine. Every mile's got a story to burn. Every loss is a road I learned. Sometimes leaving's the only grace, when the heart outgrows its place. So I'll hit the road where the wild wind knows all the names I've tried to lose. Hit the road where the river flows and wash away these Sunday blues. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road. If I find peace past that western hill, I'll send a postcard, maybe I still will. But for now, this engine hums my prayer. Freedom's waiting somewhere out there. Yeah, I'll hit the road, let the daylight show what the dark could never prove. Hit the road, let the river know this heart still got something to move. I ain't sure where I'm bound to go, but tonight I'll hit the road.
Well, overall, it has been a very good day. We got to test out the new tires on some of the trails. Today, with the rain in the past week, some of the trails were muddy, so we got to see how they performed on the muddy trails, which I think they did really great. So pretty satisfied with the performance of the new tires, off-road and on pavement as well. We ended the day going up probably about a quarter of the way up Car Canyon, just to check out some of the snow. Unfortunately, snow levels hadn't reached as far down as where they blocked the road off to where you can't go up anymore. But we did get the drone in the air just a little bit to try to get some footage. But I just wasn't really close enough to get the footage that I wanted. But anyway, I appreciate you coming along. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun. I'm sure not as much fun as I had, but I do appreciate you watching. So if you haven't subscribed, I would ask that you do that. Share the video with your off-road friends. Like the video, leave us a comment, and we will probably see you next weekend. Thanks, guys.